Shenzhen Guangjin Yuan Packing Company Limited is a company who specialized in paper and printing industry for more than 7 years. We are able to provide one-stop of printing service on different products to meet ever-changing market demands, such as books, catalogs, sticky notes, notebooks, labels and stickers, packaging boxes. All the products accord to CE, ROS, FSC. Our company has first-class technologists, designers, experienced production technicians. The flow of manufacturing process is controlled under a series of overall working management systems, such as art design, color separation, plate making, processing, production. Customized orders are welcomed. Our cooperation factory is located in Shenzhen, which covering an area of 5,000 square meters. It conforms to ISO 9001, ISO 14001. The main equipment includes Germany Heidelberg 5-color offset printing machine, Heidelberg 4-color offset printing machine, 2 Mitsubishi 4-color offset printing machine, 3 Jingde Gen 4-color printing machine, auto die cutting machine, auto gluing machine, Heidelberg auto folding machine, auto nail machine, auto gathering machine. All these production lines allow volume production and printing with very high efficiency and accuracy, which satisfy a variety of customers. We now serve clients from all over the world. We run our business on the principle that customer satisfaction is our eternal pursuit, and quality is our principle. With high quality and satisfied services, we achieve the mutual trust and win-win result with our customers, seeking common development.